Alrighty. Mic check, yes. Working. TikTok live stream, yes. Working. Urban Trades, checking in. Okay, let's see. Let's look at gappers. So, let me look, let me see. I got ADTX. I got ISPC. And then I think on my Discord this morning, John and Zach mentioned FFIE. And then John was mentioning something ISPC, PSLS, PLSE, and LVTX. Guys, I got a pretty big migraine right now too. So we'll see how it goes. I think I've told you guys that I get migraines every once in a while. How do you stream your webcam and scream at once? OBS. And it's more confusing because I stream to YouTube, I stream to Tradecaster, and I stream to TikTok. So they're different layouts. So it's a big old mess, man. But look at me, guys. I'm here. This is one of those days where, I just wish I could just trade in the zone, listen to music, but I am here for you guys. So let's do this. Let's do this together. Let's do this together. All right. No golf this weekend, John? Appreciate you, huh? No. Appreciate you guys being here. Appreciate you guys being here. Watch the President's Cup though. Okay, let me see. So ADTX. ADTX. This is the one that needed a bounce, and it was just so beaten down. The last 5 days high is like up to 488. So this thing, I mean, this one can get a nice, decent bounce, but we got some room. But this is looking like a nice flag, honestly, on the 5 minutes. Seems to be setting up for us. Not quite yet, but wants to. I saw Zach typing in this morning. Zach should be joining us again. Maybe Lang too. I don't know. Lang was out at a wedding, I think, and so he didn't join us the last couple of days last week either. I think Rob on YouTube also wasn't joining us the last couple of days either. ISPC. Let me look at ISPC. High today on ISPC is 267. This one has a 200 moving average way up to 412, but we got room there. The next daily, that 27 is kind of one pivot there, but then you got another one up there at 320. So this one has room. I would look at 320 on this one, and then after that, that 4. So ISPC is not bad. John, did you take any trades this morning though? Good morning, everybody. I've been watching now. I took a trade earlier on LVTX. Yeah, you did on LVTX. Yeah. Alright, let me look at FFIE. Oh wow, FFIE looking nice. Finally hit that dollar, so on FFIE, sorry, we're gonna be looking to hold that dollar. Cole ETH, do you have any questions about the streaming thing? Do you want to stream or start doing something like that? So FFIE is probably going to be trying to hold a dollar today. The next daily resistance on this one's like 1 115, 116. So let's see if we hold this dollar and then make our way back up there. But this is a pretty cheap stock here. Let's just see if it holds that dollar first. Also kind of pulling back right now. Let's see if that pullback gives us a nice setup. Good morning, Rome on YouTube. Good morning, John. Good morning, Ape Trades. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Noah Knox. Yeah, no problem. Argent Traders in here. Zach joining us again. Rosendo typing. Let me see. PLSC now. What is this? Pulse Biosciences. Okay. Pulse Biosciences. Kind of a pivot here at 175, honestly. Looks like it was from last time it gapped up in the morning. Or actually, that looks like a post-market gap up. But it's trying to use that right now, today, that 175. And then I guess this one we would be looking at $2. Let me look at the daily a little bit more. Yeah, being down stock as well. 200 moving average up to $5. But looking at $2 break after that, like 211 or 228. I'll mark that 228 one. It's a little higher. Watch EVTL. Alright. Good morning, Sam Sneed. I think I said good morning, Zach. Zach, welcome back to streaming, to trading with us. Welcome back. So this is Pulse. Pulse is not my favorite. Kind of lack of volume. Daily is not the prettiest, so I'm gonna put it towards the end. Right now, I do like ISPC. I like ADTX a lot. That one needs a little bit of a dead cat bounce, and right now it looks like it wants to pull back to us, kind of that 311 pivot. TikTok people, good morning everybody on TikTok as well. And then last Sam C, good morning boss. Happy to be here. 2 day off the market is too much. Yeah, sometimes the weekend is like, oh my gosh, it's like not fast enough, and then sometimes it's like, oh my god, I feel like I haven't traded in such a long time. Like come back Mondays and I'm like, dude, I haven't done this in like a week when it's just been 2 days. Good morning, Bede. Good morning. YouTube people, who else is in here? I got almost 30 of you guys over there. Who else is here? LVTX. I had not looked at LVTX. It looks like for the last 5 days the stock has been dead, so I can't even like zoom in on the left side of this stock here. Kind of annoying when they do this, but this is one of those crazy volatile stocks. You could see the numbers on the right side. Oh, I always look at that first. You see 5, 8, 5, 9, 6, 6, 10. That's easily 4, 40, 30 cents on one of these candles. That's how you know you're playing something that has a lot of range. But this thing passed the 200 moving average. Is this have a... Did this really gap up that much just because? Went from $2 all the way up to 6, 1? Next resistance on this is almost $7. Support on this thing, I don't know, down to like 520s, but this thing ripped pretty fast. And then all-time highs of 17.1. Sorry we beat the Texans yesterday. ADTX super volatile. ADTX 2, yeah. FFIE also kind of trying to hold VWAP. LVTX, I'm going to keep it on watch. Doesn't look bad. And then somebody else said EVTL. I haven't looked at that one. Morning, Frank over on YouTube. Good morning, Fariza. Let me look at EVTL. Who said EVTL? Rosendo. No volume at the moment. For EVTL, no volume at the moment. But right under highs. That almost quadruple, I don't even know what that is. Quintuple freaking top at 887. That's interesting. So I'm going to put an alert right under that one. This looks like, I don't even remember. There was a stock last week that was like this, and I called it out, and it didn't have volume, but as soon as it got to high of days, it just broke out. And then this one has another daily, so it's got that tough one at like $9, and then after that, slightly a little higher, 919-ish. But yeah, this one's daily looks very good, Rosendo. Nice call, nice call. So I'm definitely putting this one here in case it starts getting momentum. And I already put an alert up there. I took some medicine I have not eaten, so let me get a little bit of this banana. Alright. Good morning, Kevin, over on YouTube, and good morning, BK Gapper on YouTube. LVTX, yeah, LVTX is on my Gappers list. This one's the one that I said be careful. Good morning, John on YouTube as well. Mercer, there you are. Good morning, Mercer. Saw Mercer out on the boat this weekend. Was that this weekend, Mercer? Some fun things, fun things. Blair, there's Blair. LVTX, I like it. This one had a pretty nice gap of, if you look at the day, they went from $2 almost to past 6. That's $4. Um, but big range on this one. Big range. So drop your share size a little bit. You know, this is going from 5.5 VWAP up to 5.6, 7, 8, 9, 6, 6.1. Easily right there is 50, 60 cents. That's a lot. Juan, why don't you have stop losses when you enter a trade? I do sometimes. I do. If it's a winning trade, I'll add a stop loss and let my runners go. But a lot of the times, sometimes I get stopped out. If I put a stop loss, I get wicked out real quick, and then stock goes without me. So I know what I'm looking for when I enter a trade, and so if it doesn't happen right away, I get out of the trade. If it starts happening, then I keep that move going, and then I add a stop loss. But I do, but not all the time. Correct. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Hassan. That's my lazy trader, Lang. There's Lang. How was the wedding, Lang? Everything good? That was such a nice view. If you guys didn't see that, Lang was at, I don't know where he was, I forgot, but he posted a view of the place. It was pretty nice. Um, RDHL. RDHL. We got a little bit, 2 minutes till market opens. Let me scan through. Oh, wow. CO. I remember this one. CO got halted on Friday. Which trading site is this? Can you give some info? This is TD Ameritrade, Thinkorswim platform. TD Ameritrade is a broker. CO got halted on Friday and it hasn't resumed. Look at this stock. That sucks. And you know who's in it? Agaska is short on this stock and he's stuck in it right now. He texted me or he DM'd me on Friday and he was like, dude, look at CO. And it's halted and he was in it. He's still in it. Beautiful mountains. Yeah, I saw it. Okay, let me scan through a few other stocks real quick. I don't like this one. ATHX. We'll keep an eye on this one. This was a mover on Friday. And it gave a little bit of its gains back, but not all of it. Didn't quite fade. So let's see if this one gets another run in. Plus, the daily looks like it wants to squeeze. I mean, look at this. Big old move up. Stock split, pulls back down, and now it's trying to get a nice squeeze. So we'll see. AVTC. Like AVTC as in like also halted, or like AVTC also has a possible trace today? Oh, possible trace today. Oh wow, yeah. So looking for that new high on AVTC, and potentially, I guess on this one, our first target would be 50 cents. I haven't. Let me look at the. There's so many lines on the stock though. Hold on. So I got my alerts there. So I don't see an obvious one at open. ADTX, maybe that flag holds. LVTX maybe holds that VWAP. FFIE looks like it pulled back and tried to go for it, but turned back around. And market is live. I was just saying, guys, that I have I get migraines a lot, and I'm pretty sure I have had one because I went to bed with a migraine, and I still have a migraine this morning. And so if I'm a little calm today, or you guys can tell, then that's why. All right, so ADTX, yo, what's your favorite setup? Why don't you, shoot, right now is just anything with a flag. Before it used to be anything with a breakout, right now is anything with a flag. Okay, ADTX, let's look at ADTX. I'm not going to take a trade on ADTX here. This could just turn around right here, hold VWAP and keep going, but just the first minute, 2 minutes open, they can either FFIE looks tempting. I'm not going to rush into a trade ape trades. This is not the trades we'll take, especially the first 1 minute, 2 minute candles. We'll let it settle. We'll let it settle for sure. At DTX, see, this is a trade where you're like, okay, yeah, that's a pullback, but see, the first minute, 2 minutes of ISPC though, ISPC, that's a different kind of move. ISPC, this is a different kind of volume, different kind of move here. Let's see. It looks like we're probably going to be heading to like a downtrend. Shoot, I don't know where to draw this downtrend. ADTX completely turned around. I didn't rush that one. Rob Bellany, good morning, Juan. Good morning, man. How are you? Let's see, the daily on this one, ISPC, looks pretty good. We got a pivot of like 255. I'm not rushing a trade here. I'm going to let this do his thing here. FFIE, I mean, I guess you could have taken a trade down there. I want to see if this stock ISBC maybe flags down here. FFIE is turning around. Sorry, Ape Trades. FFIE also has a little bit of a downtrend here. So this is all I'm watching. Break of downtrends right now. Break of downtrends. AMPX, SPRO looks interesting. Let me look at those actually, because those were both from Fridays as well. SPRO, I'll wait for a little bit of a bigger move on that one. Pulse actually turning back around as well. And then what was the other one? AMPX. AMPX, well, looking for $14. Unless it starts really getting momentum, but I'll wait for $14. Pulse, though. This one to me is going to look like a low volume play here. FFIE. FFIE actually pushing up right now, but this is low volume. That first candle, red candle, had a lot more volume than these three coming back up. So let's be careful. There's a clear downtrend there, so let's see if we hold this downtrend, retest it. That would be my trade on this one, and see if we get that $1 again. This candle here is about to close. Let's see if we get a little bigger pullback on this one. And let's see how the volume on this pullback looks like. On FFIE, I'm looking at this downtrend retest. And let's see if we can make the move towards the dollar. So it looks like we hit 99999 on there. Missed that one. ADTX. Looking at ADTX, break of 350 will be good. This candle here has pretty good volume now. Looking for break of 350 on ADTX. not rushing into breakout trade. I want to see if I get a pullback. So missed that FFIE. That first retest was a place to take it. This first candle here on ADTX had pretty good strong volume on that green one, and then the second one right here is kind of not getting stuffed, but not the volume that we needed. So now all I want is to see if we flag up here, holding kind of this pivot here at 335-ish or something like that. Maybe even up here at 337 or almost 340 here. Give us a flag. If I don't get a flag and this trade goes without me, that is okay. Look at the volume dying as we approach 350. Not what you like to see, but sometimes they go without you. Sometimes they go without you. Let's just see if we hold 350 and get a quick scalp after it, but it's going to be definitely a riskier trade here. Sí, hablo español, sí, sí. I do not trade any currencies, and I am trading on Thinkorswim platform. So ADTX kind of getting stuff. That one's definitely a stuff. Look at that 1 minute candle breaking 350 but not closing above 350. So I'd be careful with this one now. I even feel like shaky. I don't know why. Not nervous, shaky. FFIE kind of doing the same thing, you know, as soon as you get to that breakout, once you break out, now you're getting lower volume after the breakout, during the breakout, and then volume is decreasing. CCL, somebody saying check out CCL. It looks good, but not a penny stock. I think I'm getting sick, although my nose was running on that. No, I just get migraines a lot, and I'm pretty sure I've had a migraine since last night. And usually it's like when I get migraines, sleep is the only thing that helps it go away. But I woke up this morning and I still felt it like instantly. The second I woke up, I was like, oh no, I still feel it. Okay, ADTX. Let's see if we get another pullback on this one, but has to be a low volume pullback here. We got stuffed already. This could still make another run towards 350, hold 350. So let's see. FFIE is still going for it, so I'm still keeping an eye on ADTX. Let me look at the 5 minutes. The 5 minutes actually getting stuffed. But we got 2 minutes left. LVTX completely fading. I've not taken a single trade today, so I'm still looking. If you guys see any setups, make sure to call them out as well. I know a lot of times you guys take some trades, and if you have time, obviously. So, man, how's FFIE still going? Look at this. You like ADTX here? LVTX, it's definitely trying to keep holding like that that VWAP keeps trying to come up back up and reclaim it. ADTX is pulling back here with low volume. I might take some ads through here on ADTX. Well, that was the place to add. Let's see if we get 350 break again. I want to see the volume come in though. This candle's the one moving back up. That was the place, Ape Trace. That was the place. I'm looking for a new high of day, which is 3.6. Let's see if we hold 350 and get back up to 3.6. 20 seconds left on this candle. Five seconds left here. Let's see how we do. If it gets stuffed, no trade. No trade still for me. I'm gonna wait till I see a setup that I really like. I'm not just gonna jump into everything. LVTX. I kind of was waiting to see if LVTX reclaims that VWAP, and that thing has like a pretty steep downtrend. So the second it breaks that, it could go on LVTX. Same thing with ISPC. Kind of getting stuffed, but also not really fading away. So there's buyers in that stock still holding it up. You can see it's still holding that 2.4, 243 levels on ISPC. And then LT VERU, good move. Honestly, ADTX, I don't see a lot of sellers on this stock. Like, I don't see this stock failing that. There goes ISPC. ISPC still has downtrend here. Yeah, LVTX looks like it's ready to flush. Snap is doing good too. What coins is this? I don't trade coins. This is not crypto. This is stocks. Market is kind of recovering a little bit. I'm curious to see if we get a nice pop in the market to reshort it again. I mean, I think everybody's pretty bearish on the overall market still. ISBC, here's the second attempt at this downtrend break. AMPX pushing up and increasing volume. ISPC, kind of a riskier play up here, but let's see if we get this break of downtrend and hold here. Even a fade to like VWAP here, 247-ish. Let's see if I get a nice fade down to 247 here. Let me put AMPX on my side chart. So this ISBC, I was looking for the pullback first. That thing is ISBC kind of wanted to go first and then pulled back, so a little iffy there. I wanted to see that pullback first and then rip. You gotta say this is stocks in your bio description. True, man. FFIE, is that a low volume pullback all the way down to here? IFFIE trying to reclaim that $1. This could have been the pullback there. We missed that one. Look at FFIE, clean pivot off of pre-market highs. Cold. Actually, I do like cold. So it looks like Blair took that FFIE pullback there. That was a nice pullback, Blair. That right there was a clean pivot play right there. Now stick it out. See if you get a new high. I'm actually going to look at this one with you and see if I get a breakout for a high of day on FFIE. I might be joining FFIE here and see if we get this continuation to high day. Good trade, Blair. Good trade. Seeing a lot of volume on this stock still here. I saw that AMPX rejection, Rosendo. I saw it. This was a good trade here, Blair. This was really a good trade. Good job. I totally missed that one. Let's see if we get a pullback, a little volume. SHPH, no thank you. Dude, shorts all over ADTX. We cannot hold at 350, yeah. What stock should I go for right now? It depends. Are you trying to invest or are you trying to just day trade? FFIE, this volume is lacking on the pushback up. Cold 1740. Yeah, cold actually, yes. Cold down to 1740s. 42-ish. Oh my god, well never mind. Well, maybe, it's still. There goes FFIE, Blair. Are you selling at that new high? Well, I missed maybe one or two good trades this morning, but I'm not seeing a lot of things setting up, or at least giving good trades. You know, I could probably be scalping some of these, but I'm looking for that big trade, the good trade. Cold, man. Wow. Did you get in there, Ape Trades? I'm looking ISPC wants to kind of squeeze. Nice trade, Ape Trades. Nice trade, man. This thing, it might turn back around. You gotta break it down, Trent, so look for that first. ISPC also trying to squeeze up to high of day. You got the pullback on FFIE. This one right here. This was a trade on FFIE. That's the one I should have been all over it. This is probably the one trade this morning that I'm like, you know what, I missed it, and that's on me right there. Clean pivot. ADTX, you know, not a clean trade. ISPC, I was trying to aim here, that 147-ish. I guess it would have worked a little bit. Cold. Ape Trades called it out ahead of time for you guys. Right here, Ape Trade said 1740, guys, and look at it now, 1765. Good job, Ape Trades. Good job, man. What's up, Ride the Lining? What's up, Ghost Rider? How are you guys doing? 88 viewers on YouTube, man. What's up? Who's here for the first time on YouTube? Guys, if you're here for the first time and you see me being kind of quiet and stuff, I just got a big migraine going on. This is not how I usually am. I haven't even taken a trade. I mentioned it this morning. Today is one of those days where I just wish I would have came in here and just listened to music and see if I found a trade. If not, go back to bed. But I'm streaming here for you guys as well. So if you guys are watching on YouTube, please hit the thumbs up, subscribe. Let me know if you got any questions. FFIE, let's see if we get a continuation here, pivot here, and get a new high. Oh, actually, that last previous candle looked like it got stuffed. ADTX 5-minute flag. Did you jump in on it, Mersa? You want to day trade? What stock should I get? Well, the stocks that I'm calling out, but these are quick day trades in and out. So, like I was saying, guys, please hit the thumbs up. Please hit the subscribe button, notification bell if you want to know when I go live. And appreciate everybody being here. No trades for me yet. Trying to find a good trade. Cold, did you get fully out of cold then? Yeah, yeah. Hey, nice patience, man. Appreciate it, John. Appreciate it. Yeah, I mean, especially in this market right now. Last week was, I mean, it was slow. My profit was okay still, but we are seeing probably some of the slowest weeks we've seen this market. There's still money to make. There's still trades to find, but still. Ooh, I just got a notification from YouTube that I just got approved for monetization. So awesome. I do trade off VWAP entries, yeah. So, but it depends on the setup. Sometimes I'll take a VWAP entry as in a reclaim, like it like reclaims VWAP like this, and then take that retest like that. Or sometimes I'll take a trade at VWAP when I see a stock has potential to keep moving up, and I'll take a flag right under VWAP. So like this, like that, a little volume pullback, and then breaks VWAP. So I'm looking for that. I won't be monetizing you. Rosendo took Rosendo took the LVTX. Nice, nice, nice. Congratulations. Thank you, Ride the Lightning. Appreciate it, appreciate it. Well, at least I want to trade something though. It's not like I don't want to trade. What kind of ETF is even cold? Ultra short Bloomberg FFIE 5-minute setup looks good. Yeah, I think as soon as you called it out, somebody said cold was an ETF. HKD doing HKD things. That's why AMPX is so choppy. If you guys didn't know, AMPX is the one that follows HKD. Hold on, FFIE wants a break of 112. Where's 112 on this daily? So I got 116 on the daily, and then after that I got like 125, 126. ADTX also still holding. I know somebody was saying earlier that it's got a lot of shorts. That could be a good thing. If it still holds like that, it might out of nowhere rip through that 350. Anybody like Rust music? Sniped FFIE bottom and top. Good job, man. Good job on TikTok. Awesome. Do you use MACD? Seems like MACD is precise on breakouts and breakdowns. No, I did not use MACD. I really don't use any indicators. The only indicators that I use is moving average and VWAP. Cold. Cold looking for new highs. Cold looking for new highs. Let's see if we get a nice volume here. Nice squeeze. Kind of 1771 is the first 5-minute candle to make a new high. Russ the GOAT. I like Russ. I'm listening to Russ right now. ADTX, that ADTX stock through 350 could still be a good trade. See, like ADTX trying to reclaim VWAP here, but come on, man. Let me find some trades. ADTX 330 pivot. ADTX looks good as a short. Not not yet, I don't think. We're still up trading. There. We're still flagging here. And I'm looking for this thing to see if it takes me back up here and breaks out. LVTX about to reverse. I think Brosendo got in on that one pretty low. I wonder if he's still holding. FFIE pulling back a little more. FFIE trying to touch down the ADMA. FFIE also kind of looking at a double bottom right here. And look at the bid stacked on this thing. There's 1,300 orders right here. I'm buying with all these buyers here. Let's see. If it breaks this, we're in trouble. But look how many orders there are on FFIE. 1,500 orders. 1,000 orders. Cracking a little bit. 800 orders. 700 orders. If this cracks all the way, I'll get out before it flushes. Why did it disappear on me? There's still 900 orders there. On the buyer side, 1,000. A little bit of a reversal here. That was just a small ad there. I want to see if this thing really reverses all the way back up. Only reason I jumped in that trade is because I saw like 1,500 buy orders. That was crazy. Yeah, it is a cheap stock, so a lot of people can get more orders, but still, that's a lot. So I decided to join the buyers there. And now I'm trying to see if this stock will reverse back up to highs. Where's my cost basis? 105.69. Nowhere to be found. Oh yeah, there it is. Nope. Nope. Still in this trade here. I'm not gonna make much. I just want to see if this breaks out to high. Oh, actually, ADTX trying to reclaim VWAP. ADTX reclaims VWAP. That'll be a good trade. Watching ADTX. If ADTX reclaims that VWAP and looks at 350, that'll be a good trade there as well. Okay, I'm out of that trade. I want to look at ADTX. Cold new high of day. Look at ADTX reversal though. No trade there. Wanted to get that micro pullback there. Once you see a big candle with good volume reversal. Let's see if we still get a reversal here. A little pullback on ADTX. And we get another stab at 350. Even if we don't get the trade through 350, let's see if we get a touch of 350. LVTX, what a disappointment. Now I see it. ISPC also breaking out now. Both ISPC and ADTX trying to break out. ADTX, let's see if we get a pullback down to like 339 again. See, when this stock goes, it didn't give us a pullback. It did it right here too. And then when it started pulling back, that's when it got choppy. It never broke out again. This is Thinkorswim application. Cold new high of day. Oh my gosh, barely. How are we all doing today? Is anybody taking good trades? Anybody up decently on the day? Is anybody green? Anybody red? Ape trades up 130. Here, let's see if we get the pullback. Rome C, no trades yet. Yeah, we got to be patient in this market, so nothing wrong with no taking trades. ADTX, here might be a small flag. Let's see if we get it. Volume on the way up. Green volume is bad. If this one doesn't set up a flag, I want to see if ISPC breaks that 258 pivot there and squeezes to a high on ISPC. Look at that 258 previous high that it put in. Small size here on ADTX. That was not the trade I was looking for on here, but I mean I made it work. I was looking for it to flag more. If you guys took that with me there, good job. I said watch the little flag here, get the pivot down. Alright, anybody took that ADTX trade right there? I said watch the little flag and see if you get the ad. There was the little flag right there. There was the ad. Oh, my foot's fully asleep. I can't feel anything. Yeah, I also didn't. Holy crap, my foot is like legit asleep. I just banged it against my table and I can't feel anything. ADTX, let's see if this gives us a continuation. Let's see if this pulls up into a nice squeeze here. ISPC is still up there. Here's the shorts we were seeing earlier on ADTX. Yep. Frustrating, annoying. Alright, so it looks like some of us took that trade at least, so awesome. Rob S on YouTube took it, Noe Knox took it, Edicativo took it, nice, nice, nice. VK Gapper took ADTX as well, good job man, good job. And now I see everything pulling back. Oh my gosh, Blair got caught up in that flesh. Don't chase him, but good job. ADTX got dumped. I took the trade, took most of it out, and had to stop under this candle here. If it kept going, I would have gone a nice trade there. But yeah, it did reverse completely. I do not trade currency. No. Rigo puts on Tesla. How much money do you trade with? It depends on the stock that I'm trading at. You're looking at Tesla. I'm looking at Tesla. Yeah. You like the puts on that one still? I do think we're gonna get a little pop in this market, but I don't expect it to hold. Juan, how much is your course? I might be interested. It's 450, but I've been offering the 150 discount to anybody that asks me like that, so $300 pretty much. FFIE looking at that $1 hold. Yeah, I do like FFIE again, and we got a pretty nice downtrend here. Oh no, we missed it, Ape Trades. Yeah, if anybody's interested in my course or has any questions about it, just let me know. I can answer some questions before you end up getting it. Um, it does teaches you everything from complete beginner of the stock market to my strategies now and everything all in one place. So just let me know if you guys are interested, and obviously I will give you the biggest discount I've given at all to anyone, so 150. Urban Trades grab some. Oh, Urban Trades grab some right there. Nice, Urban Trades. Let's see if FFIE makes a nice big squeeze again. That 112 was like a triple, quadruple top. Is the course like taught live stream? The what do you mean? I have a bunch of videos. I don't know if I'm interested now after that kind of stuff there on FFIE. That the first time, yeah, but here might be good stuff, so I'd be careful here. And AMPX at 1250. Gosh dang. You're up almost $1 a share. Riggy, I like that. I like that. Puts on Tesla right now. I don't mind it. Doesn't look bad. Doesn't look bad. FFIE, I just want to see if we get a big squeeze on this one. Who can help me? I want to invest on Tesla, but I can't find it any place. What do you mean? Tesla ticker is TSLA. What's up, Eric on TikTok? How are you, man? How was your weekend? How was everybody's weekend? ISBC got it. Yeah, ISBC got over a little flush there. Yeah, BK Gapper. I don't know what you mean by taught live stream. So my course, the structure of my course, kind of just the way it works, is I used my whiteboard and I explained everything on there, like what you're looking for and all that stuff. And then on everything that I explained, I went and found real examples of them, and then I showed you, look, now this is what it actually looks like. So it's pretty good. FFIE, this little candle right here, it's got very low volume. This little pullback here on FFIE. Trying to see if FFIE breakup downtrend here ends up holding. I wanted to buy the low of this candle though. I threw an order on the bid, didn't get filled. Rome, did you sell some AMPX? Because now it's getting stuffed. Yeah, good job, good job. You sold half up there. Riggy, Tesla put still up down there. This FFIE play honestly doesn't look bad. It's trying to break downtrend, holding it right here with super low volume. And once again, look how many orders are stacked. There's the pop, yep. Let's see if FFIE curls all the way back up. You might be done for today, Ape Trades. Might find another setup. Might find another setup. Ape Trades and I keep telling each other that we need to scale up and start putting some real dollars up, and these places just don't allow me to. I mean, This right here should have been the one I could have gone big size right there. This one right here. That one should have been a nice one. Same here, Ducativo. I think a lot of us are in the same boat. But you know what? There's nothing wrong with just keep proving yourself. You're consistent, you know. Keep doing this for another month or two. Get through September, and then hopefully end of year, beginning of next year, things start getting hot again, and we'll be ready with consistency. And all we need is to step up on share size, and we'll be good. And do it slowly and accordingly, right? You can maybe scale up a little bit now. You have better luck sizing up in the afternoon, in my opinion. The shorts aren't as aggressive, and the patterns have proved themselves. SPRO still. I can kind of see it, but you're tucking under the 80 MA on the 5. Can't wait to take 10K shares comfortably. Yeah. Even myself, I used to take a lot of 10K shares before, and I haven't been able to. Ride the lining on YouTube, agreeing with you, John, that later in the day there's a lot of retests and double bottoms. Eric's Moto, how was your weekend, man? Consistency, look at Ape Trades. Even after a bigger loss there, he still consistency gave him profit. So good job. Planning to sell a fourth of AMPX around 14 and hold the rest for possible break of Friday's high. Stop break even 1250. That's good, man. If you have a stop at break even already and you got nothing to lose, that's awesome. That's the best trade. Something's popping up on my momentum scanner. Let me look at it. Not the best looking chart. Oh, yeah, both have trade Sella? Nice. The weekend was dope. Out on Tesla? Was that a break even trade, Riggy? Did you get some profit on that Tesla put, Riggy, or no? You had 4 different emails to try to get it? Dang. Well, I mean, I took 2 trades and they were both green. I think I've only taken 2 trades and they were both green. I didn't lose anything, but wow, look at this stock climbing right back up to $7. I'm looking at MLCO real quick for a high of $7 breakout. 696 break and $7. Looking for 696 break and $7 break on this one. It's a little bit lower volume play, but the engulfing candles there, a little bit of a pullback here. Where's the breakout? I had to descale a lot on this thing. I was loaded with pretty good amount of shares, but was not getting the breakout, so I had to descale a lot just to be safe. And then watch, now I'm gonna get the breakout here. 696 high, $7 break on this one. 696 high. Where's 697? 696, 80 orders there. That's a lot. 96 orders, 100 orders going up and not filling. So it doesn't look like it might break out. 95 orders, 91 orders still there on the ask, not getting taken, so I'm gonna get out of there. Trade. An extra 60 bucks there, what the frick? Okay, let's see. Nice rip on the SPY. Broke even on the rest. Yeah. Bears weak this morning. That's what I'm saying. This thing is going to have a slightly push up. I think the whole market will. Oh my god, there it starts going. I was looking for $7 break on this one. There it is. Are you kidding me? No, this is just, I mean, this is textbook breakouts. This is what the whole market should be doing, but every penny stock is not behaving like this. And then you get a little pullback to retest $7 like this, and then a new high. I mean, I made an extra $60 there, but this right here is how stocks normally behave on the penny stocks, like this. You know, I was just in here with like almost 5,000 shares right there at cost basis of 690. Took a little bit. This is a lower volume stock, so it's not really quite opening that much. So I was kind of anxious on it a little bit. So I took the majority of my shares out before the 696 break. But right there, I mean, this is a textbook easy breakout trade right there. Only thing I noticed is this pullback here and then completely engulfs it. And then this right here with lower volume. So I decided to buy that stock. And then having $7 right above you, you know, a lot of times it's like you don't know if you get the $7 breakout, but a lot of times you at least anticipate it and get a $7 touch or a whole dollar touch. Um, so $60 there. Why are you capitalizing my name, John? Is that you yelling at me? By capitalizing my name, is that you yelling at me? FFIE at VWAP again. Shoot, FFIE. I do see that, Andres. So I've taken 3, 4 trades today, all green, but still small share size on all of them. I mean, I'm probably up like 200 bucks, but that's about it. Morning, TikTok people. Your name is user Riggy on TikTok. Honestly, man, I would still be looking if you're still trying to short Tesla. You get a little bit more of a bounce, and I would probably be all in that short again. Let me see something real quick. ADTX held the flush. Yeah, true, and gone back up to that 350. Juan, you like the flag on ADTX or is the volume too low? This whole thing, this whole flag. It looks decent, but the volume is low on the green candles. If I was to trade ADTX, I want to hold 350. Look how many times we spiked over 350 and never held it. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Kind of there, but the first candle to close there flushed. So didn't hold it at all. So I would like to see the stock start holding 350 here. And you're kind of getting to the end of this flag here. I mean, I could probably readjust it like this maybe. Which this is an ascending triangle, and ascending triangles tend to break up. Doesn't mean it's going to, but yeah, I mean, it's looking pretty good so far still. Zach got in on ADTX at VWAP twice. Let me see. LVTX, what a letdown. This is the ones that, you just can't catch a falling knife. You think it's going to bounce, you think it's going to find support, and then out of nowhere, boom. And then again, you think it's kind of bottoming out here, and then it could just dump again. Pulse tried to open up this morning, completely rejected and failed. FFIE, still looking okay. FFIE, adjust your downtrend, and you do have that like quadruple top at 112. Every time I see something like that where you had so many attempts, it just becomes obvious, right? More people are like, oh, that is a strong resistance. So if you get a close move up there, a lot more people are going to try to break that resistance. So the more times you touch it, the more likely you are to break it. And so I will always take a look at that and say, okay, that's definitely, if we pop up here with strong volume, small pullbacks, micro pullbacks, 1, 2, or maybe even a flag right under it, that's the first target you're looking at to break and squeeze sellers out of. And it's the same thing, right? Like, if you're somewhere in this area right here, this is what I say all the time. If you're somewhere in this area, what is the resistance you're looking at, right? That 112. Now, sellers are going to be at 112, right? This is where they're going to be entering short, trying to defend that quadruple top. Yeah, they might win and defend 112, but if you see a clean flag right here with low volume pullback, that's because sellers are not there. Sellers are up here. What would you rather take, a breakout trade through the big wall of sellers or a low volume pullback here anticipating 112? So you take your trade here, you take your profit there, and you leave your runners for this if it breaks out. At least you get this right here of profit. So always try to anticipate what's the next move, where's sellers at. You can try to take that big wall and buy the risky play, but you can a lot of the times try to get the trade before that and anticipate it. It's like what I just did on MLC. Oh, right. I took this trade. The high of day was 696. But what was I looking at? I was looking at 7. I wasn't even looking at 696. I assumed 696 would break and at least get me 4 cents up to 7. That was my trade. I wanted the 696 to 7, not a breakout of 96 and take my profit at 96. But I always protect myself first, so I got mostly out of that trade before it actually worked out. Rome C, do you trade the large caps too? Are you looking to short SPY since you called out a nice rip? I mean, it's still going. You could hold for 3 hours and maybe get, yeah, that's the one you said the big float on, right? FFIE trying to break out of this flag here. $477 million flow, what the heck? ADTX trying to reclaim that 350 again. Look at this. Options on SPY only. Nice. Are you buying puts? Riggy, what else you got? You're buying puts on Tesla soon on SPY? See, this is what I'm scared on ADTX. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 5th green candle in a row, and we've barely moved 20 cents on this thing. Let me just see out of curiosity how much I'm up. I would think 200 bucks. At least I'm trading clean. Not clean as in like good trades, but clean as in I think I have 100% accuracy today, which is pretty good. Oh wow, not even 200 bucks. Right under 200 bucks. I thought I was maybe past 200 bucks. Looking for some puts at 283.6 on Tesla. Anybody else trading the large caps today? Zach, sometimes you pop over there, right? AMPX is still holding up for who was on in that one? Somebody was in on AMPX. Rosendo? No, not Rosendo. This trading platform is Thinkorswim. I need to make a TikTok for that. I haven't been posting as many TikToks because my account is still freaking on warning for being a scammer. You know, my headache is kind of going away a little bit. Trading is a solution to everything. Oh, Rome, you're the one that had it. Yeah, you're still holding the APX. Good job. Philly Cheese trading AMD. Okay, okay, okay. Who of you guys, does everybody think market has another leg down still? Like, are we going to put in new lows or like drop down to like COVID lows, or do you guys think the bottom is in with everything going on and just the market being pretty bearish recently? Do you guys think we've hit lows, or do you guys think we're not even done yet? New lows still for no urban trades? I saw no Inox typing. Lower from here, but not COVID lows. Okay, okay. New lows 10 to 15% lower. I think that's the majority. I always wonder if market makers know that now everybody's like, oh, market's gonna drop, market's gonna drop, and like I have a feeling they purposely will do the opposite. They'll pump it up, and everybody's like, oh, maybe this is the lows, and then as soon as everybody buys, then they're like, psych, and then flush down the market. You know, that's what I think always. Are you actually short on a SPY right now, John? In my opinion, lowest we go is around 320, 340. Okay. Philly cheese. I'm looking for a 2 to 3 day rally here. That could possibly be very possible. Yeah, a day or two rally like today, kind of hold it, and then again, boom, drop. Oh, you mean just shorting in general? I actually did open some spreads. Very like small share size. Do you read trading books? I've never read a trading book in my life. But I do want to read that book that Ape Trades always calls out, um, by Mark Douglas, Trading in the Zone. I do want to get that book. Guys, I don't care how much money you guys have. If SPY drops to 300s, 320s, 340s, please do me a favor and put some money in. Volume price analysis. I do want to get some of these books. Let me write that one down. Like, women, they come, they go. I think that's why I have like almost kind of like developed my own way of trading. Like, and I'm not saying like, oh, I'm so special out there, you know? No. But like I never read a book. I never took anybody's scores. If you go on YouTube, not one person out there will tell you, dude, wait for the candles to close, wait for the last 10 seconds, wait for like nobody. I've never heard anybody say that. Wait for confirmation, you know? Everybody's like wait for confirmation but on the bigger moves, but not like small scalping stuff like this. That was all like yeah, like Ape Trace just said, that came from experience, and that's how long have I been trading? Almost 3 years, or 3 years probably now. Yeah. Um, but that's all that I on my own kind of just. If the SPY hits 340, I'll get a home equity line of credit and throw it down. Yeah, yeah, that makes. Yeah, yeah. It's all stuff that I just watch the market by myself. I mean, I just watched the market nonstop for months and months and months, and then years, and now 3 years. It's stuff that, hey, oh, I saw this happen yesterday. Now it's doing ticket ads. I've seen this happen every week. So I never read books. Hanish, awesome. Thanks for posting that. Is that a video of it? Awesome, awesome. FFIE at 101. That is increase in volume on the 1 minute. Every successful trader I personally know has developed their own style that works for them. LVTX turned around. You called it because of the 200. 200 on what? I don't. It hasn't touched the 200 on the daily, but that is a nice pop. Is there anything else moving, guys? Ape is on momentum scanner wise. Ape there because nothing else is moving. Actually, Ape is moving pretty nice. Is that not the one that Elan called out, Mersa? LVTX ripping. I see it. I see it. Ape is not that bad either. I'm gonna keep Ape on this side now. Let's see if we get a very nice pullback on Ape. Yeah, that's the one that Lang called out, Mersa. LVTX. LVTX. Keep drawing that downtrend all the way from that pre-market. It's still holding up. I hate the stock though because I can't zoom in to the left. What's up, Mohammed? What are you trading? Just anything with momentum this morning. Riggy calling LVTX look like an easy what? Mersa. Big Steve, what's up, Big Steve? How's it going, man? I'm small green today. I've only taken like 3 trades, 4 trades, and they've all been green, but I haven't seen a good setup where I scaled in big size. Well, actually, I saw one that I scaled with big size, but unfortunately, it wasn't really working for me, and I protected my profit before making a lot of money, which is what we have to do in this market. If you don't, if anything just doesn't seem to be working out, just take it out and then protect your profits first. So I got mostly out of that. I'll have to check that book out, Lay. I'll have to check it out. FFIE. After that, I mean, you getting all of this consolidation, breaking out of it. This downtrend here, it looked like we already tried. We tried holding it, so the fact that we didn't hold that downtrend up here and make this next leg up here, I'm already kind of cautious of taking a dip there. ALLK. I saw this stock last week. ALLK. Oh, the 612 on this was a good pivot. 612 was highs of 3-4 days ago. You're small red again. You hate fighting for pennies. That's literally this market, man. You literally gotta get couple pennies, couple profit, like an easy read, Biggie. Okay, okay. And you gotta take your profit, man. You gotta take your profit. LVTX. Let's see if LVTX flags down here. I mean, LVTX kind of dropping down to the ADMA, kind of flagging here on the 1 minute. It's not my ideal setup, but this could, if it retests this low here, I might get in it again, or not again the first time, and see if we get a nice pop to VWAP. Yep, that might have been the trade there. Not my ideal setup, so I hesitated. No, we're way below VWAP. The stock is not quite strong. Only thing made me want to take that trade is this push here. Look at that volume. And then the pullback there, less volume. And then kind of, if you draw this here, right there, it's kind of reclaiming that level, trying to hold it there and then make the next leg up. By the way, guys, this weekend I got pretty busy, but today, hopefully, I'm going to put that video out and do the course giveaway. I need to make it. I didn't make it. I keep saying I have time in the weekends, and then this weekend some people asked me to go play tennis. I think that's why I actually have a migraine. I played tennis yesterday. Like they wanted middle of the day, and it's not like where Zach lives, where it's freaking cold. It's still hot over here, and I hadn't played an actual tennis match in a long time, and so my head started hurting right after that, and it's been hurting until this morning. So I literally laid at home and rested all yesterday. LVTX, this right here still looks decent. Does anybody have any questions for me in general? What y'all think of AVCT? We were looking at AVCT earlier. Let me look at it again. Oh my gosh. Sure, I'd leave that alone. Is anybody watching currently right now? First time here watching, whether you're on Tradecaster or YouTube. Anybody here for the first time? I'm seeing Tesla Riggy on TikTok. Which platform do I use? This is Thinkorswim platform. Urban Trades, first time here. Welcome to the stream, man. Everybody, welcome Urban Trades to the stream. Urban Trades, I'll never forget the first time you joined the stream. The first time you were in here, I think it was your first day here, and like that was one of the not one of my worst days, but I remember I got pretty frustrated that day. I think I was down like almost 2 grand that day or something like that. And I remember being like, dude, I know it's your first time here, but I promise you this is not every single day. I promise you I'm profitable or something like that. I'm pretty sure that was you. Is that right? Am I right? Your first time here, I like blew up almost. FFIE flushed on me. Yeah, FFIE. Yeah. First time here, the Unique Gamer. Awesome. Unique Gamer, what are you playing? Anybody playing the new Modern Warfare? Anybody playing the new Modern Warfare 2? ALLCal monthly breakout. Mursa's playing it. Decent. Ooh, ALLK. Did we get a nice pivot here at 622? Riggy, appreciate it, man. I'm done for the day. Not enough movement. Hope you can get some more gains. Appreciate it, Riggy. First time here. Sick of RJ. Welcome, man. Welcome. Let me know if you have any questions. But if you ask what platform I'm using, I'm not answering that anymore. ALOK monthly breakout. Monthly breakout and try. Well, 200 moving average is still pretty high on this one. But ALOK. I don't mind ALOK only because I got 650 up here. Warfare? Modern Warfare? Warfare. What's the thing that Ape Trace gets on to me about? Several lifetimes? Several lifetimes? Guys, I say this all the time, but I appreciate you guys all being here, man. This was not, when I first started streaming, this was not what I expected. To get to talk to you guys, even though I'm not physically like voice to voice talking to you guys, but you guys learning about me, I'm learning about y'all. Appreciate it. ALOK, honestly, I would take this kind of pivot here, 622. Let me see, let me see. Andres, when is your account settling, man? This week, hopefully, you're back with us? Took my FFB below 1 average now. It's 97. Let's see if it works. Okay, okay. Oh! Okay, so you're trading real money today, Andres. Yay! Everybody give Andres a little I don't know, whatever you guys want. Give him something. Give him an eggplant. Give him an eggplant emoji or something. I don't care. Let's get this man back on track, guys. He literally had so many issues with this broker for like weeks, and still every single day kept coming back, trading paper money, still working on his game, still working on his strategy. Hung in there. Dang, I'm actually disappointed. Nobody gave you an eggplant. Oh, okay, we got a little better. We got urban traits emoji. Stay alive with small share size. I'm doing the same. Same. There's the eggplants. Colero. No homo. Oh, Debbie's the nice one. Debbie gives you a thumbs up. Everybody else. Oh wait, never mind. Debbie. I was like, oh, Debbie's nice, and then Debbie retyped it. Nah, good job, Andres. We're back to it. Let me see. Why is this market like trash? So ALOK, I was still looking for a pullback on this one. See if I could snag the low down here. On ALOK, kind of 620, 621-ish. But I didn't see buyer step, and this is a nice little pullback, but that is a very low. I mean, not pullback, I guess buyers, but that has very low volume, and this is opposite of what I see, right? I want to see the red candle low pullback, green volume up. So this to me looks like a flag down because low volume on the buyer side. But if we find support down here at 621 where that pivot is, might be nice. Might be nice. On ALOK, and this thing is kind of breaking out on the daily, so this thing might keep running. I'm just waiting for market to pick up and scale up. We're all gonna scale up. We're all gonna make a killing. I see ISBC trying to recover from the lows down there. I'm currently tied with my all-time high green streak, 24 days. That's crazy, Blair. That really is crazy. You're tying your green streak for 24 days twice. I've literally never had a 24-day green streak, so good job. Oh, now they're getting you back with the eggplants. ISBC kind of reclaiming. If this thing pulls back up and starts reclaiming VWAP in this level, I'll look at this 250 a break, hold, and then new highs as well on ISBC. So I'll put an alert above VWAP on that one in case we get a nice move. ALOK still holding at 621. Kind of also pulling back still with low volume on ALOK. Do we think the 621 is going to hold again? Maybe that was the ad on ALOK, yep. Okay, ALOK, that was the ad. Nice. Blair added there. Now let's see if we rip up to 645, 650. What is 632? Hold on, why do I have a line at 632? I don't know why I have a line at 632. Let me delete that because it's throwing me off. I would rather look at 630. Oh, I guess 631 there. Good job, Blair. That was the place to add. Very strong volume here. Let's see if this one really curls up all the way for us. Holds this 631. Let me look at, and then we get a 645, 650 break on ALOK. That was the ad up there. That was the ad down there. $621 was a daily level? No, 612 was a daily level. Account size to start trading. It depends. How much do you want to make? It depends. What are you trading? You know, it depends on a lot of things. What's up? Starting from the very beginning, can you give me any tips to learn how to enter and exit trades? I don't know what you quite mean by that. And then what's up? It's just Jammy. What's up? What's up? Good trade there, Blair. That was definitely the place to add. Good job, man. Account size to start trading. If you're looking at penny stocks, I mean, I think with at least 1,000, 2,000, maybe 3 to 4,000, you could probably make $50 to $100 a day if you do it right. I think that's pretty possible, pretty likely. Bradley Rogers, what's up, man? Slightly green. I've taken 4 trades and all of them have been green, but they have been small green. I have not been able to step in and add big share size. What time frame is best for a beginner? I mean, look at the daily, look at the 5 minutes, look at the 1 minute chart frames, time frames, all of them. Junior, buenos dias, bro. Renjo. Yeah, green is good. Green is good. Even if it's slightly green, small green, green is good. ALLK kind of getting stuff around 631, but that was a good entry, Blair. Good job. These are the pivot pullbacks we're looking at. I missed it again. I looked at it, hesitated on it. I think I've had that issue recently, but I'm still working on it. We're not all perfect. I'm gonna miss some trades, but I definitely will not chase a trade because I missed a good entry. This right here was a good entry. Definitely not chasing it up here. No trades for me today. Was watching LVTX this morning, but very choppy, and that thing just kept falling. LVTX just kept falling. Even now, that downtrend from the morning that I said keep it there, you can see right there, it's just completely holding still from this morning. So if you want to trade LVTX for the rest of the day, wait until you get above that downtrend and see if you can get a move up to VWAP there. Honestly, a yellow K probably the only trade setup here. Um, ISPC over VWAP. I'm looking at 258 pivot up to 267, which is high of day. ADTX maybe hold VWAP again, get a trade anticipating the break of 350. If not, break of 350, hold 350. Let me see what else. FFIE kind of pulling back a little bit. I'm seeing EDU on momentum scanner. Pricey stock, slow grinder. MLCO, I took a trade on this one earlier for 60 profit, but wants to kind of curl back up. This curl back up, low volume though, so be careful there. EVTL, nope. LVTX, I already mentioned. Pulse, nothing there. How did Cold end up doing? Cold completely failed. Dang. You've only taken 2 trades this month, Bradley? Dang. Well, I would think even if you had an hour a day, you could still probably trade more than twice a month. But if you're picky and you're winning most of those trades, that's still good. That's still good. Tesla pulling back. Honestly, I think the market still has a tiny little bit of rally. And if you look at Tesla, it's got 2 resistances at 279. So one from Friday and then one from pre-market today that we just completely ripped through. And so honestly, if I was to trade Tesla today, I would see if that 279 holds its support right here. Look at this 5 minute. You guys can see it on my screen. This pivot right here, right there, and then this one right there, both holding 279. I think Tesla pulls back down, and if market wants to recover slightly, this could be a small day trade right there. I think. I think. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not giving you a guaranteed money, a guaranteed trade, but that is just quickly looking at Tesla what I see. I haven't looked at SPY, just quickly looked at Tesla, and that's what I'm looking at. How do you get started? Easiest thing is to look at the market every single day. I would open a trading account. You don't even have to put money on most of them. They're completely free now. Honestly, Tesla right there is looking good to me. Hold on. I might take a small day trade right there. Oh, they changed this app? Oh, I'm logged in with the wrong one too. Frick. Okay, I just got one small call there on Tesla just to see if it holds that 470, 279 pivot. We'll see, we'll see. Anybody taking any more trades? I know market's kind of slow. This has just been the usual September, but still kind of curious on how you guys are doing. If you guys are getting green and getting out, if you guys are going red and being responsible and keeping it small red, if you guys are absolutely destroying this market, just kind of curious, kind of curious. I don't want to bore you guys out here the whole time of not talking or anything like that. Let me see, John. Still only one trade in pre-market for you. Okay, small green for Blair. Zach still in ALK and micro right now. Okay. Junior spied shorts. Okay. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Andres. Okay, small green still for Andres on his first day back. Nice. I think Ape Trace was green. Let's see, not a single red day in September. The percentage pullback strategy killing it. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. Wait, what are you trading? Mike Blanco, small green on FFIE. Nice. Tesla already pulled around at that low. At that 279 a little bit. So I got a call down here. Um, just one. I don't know if this is going to hold up or not, but just watching it. Up already like $30, $40 on it, though. We'll see if it holds. Maybe I could just throw a break-even stop on that one and let it sit there. But little bounce there, little bounce there. I did get a 285 call, or 280, 285 or 284, something like that. Looking to see if this curls back up two highs, like this. So we'll see, we'll see. So I'm risk free on that Tesla call. I just put a stop and break even. I'm just gonna let it sit there. We'll see if I get the move back up to 484, 485, and see if I can get a little bit more profit there. We'll see. Small green on FFIE for Mike Blanco. What's up, Blanco? Argent Trader. Let me see. Let me see. So I am. That's the way to go. Blue Sky Trader. Wait, Blue Sky Trader. Why can't I see Blue Sky Trader's comment? Did Blue Sky Trader say something? I see you tag Blue Sky Trader, but I don't see their. I don't see them on here. INPX. Okay. Let me look at it, John. 17-cent high. Man, what a slow market. Honestly, I want the SPY to pull back so I can add more for the long term, but I just have a feeling if SPY pulls back a lot, we're gonna see less and less day trades for these penny stocks. Everything, more people are gonna be comfortable to go short. But I mean, as long as next year or something like that, we see another big year like 2020, 2021, that'll be nice. And a lot of you guys may just be learning day trading now, so good time to learn, good time to get familiar with platform trading, rules, stuff like that. And then once the market heats up again, all of us are ready. Seth, what's looking great today? Down 12% right now. Need help? Honestly, nothing is looking good right now. I took some trades earlier, but right now I'm sitting on my hands because I don't see anything either. How do you get started? I'd recommend open just a trading account, a brokerage account, and honestly, I stream completely free, so I would recommend you come in here every morning and see how I look at trades, see what I'm trading, and then come with us and learn this way. Oh, there you are, Seth, on Tradecaster. Awesome, man. LVTX 450 area held. Oh, there. We also finally got the break of downtrend on that one. Zach is calling out a micro 5 minute flag on which one? Guys, people watching on YouTube, appreciate you guys watching on YouTube. Make sure to hit the like button. Make sure you hit subscribe for me, please. I appreciate it. Just kind of make the algorithm promote it to more people and have more people join us for today. So appreciate the MLCO. MLCO almost up to the 200 moving average. We hit 717 and 200 moving average is like 720. So this one might have a little trouble moving through there. And this is the one that has a huge float. Like 400, almost 500 million float. So this one needs a lot of volume to move. I'm still in that Tesla call break even stop. So I'm just holding it there, see what it does. Oh wow, MLCO just completely dumped right there. The other one that might still be interesting is ALOK still. But volume is dying, and this one, kind of your downtrend is down here. Not even taking that high into consideration. Why? Just because I see 3 pivots right there, 3 points on that downtrend there. So, but look at this volume here. So today, so far, I'm up $200 on the day. Nothing special at all. Absolutely nothing special at all. Yes, $200 is great, but as far as trades, momentum, nothing special. So we just hang in here and find the good trades later on or tomorrow or something. Okay, I'm not listening to the song though. Some Russ back on. I want to listen to some Russ. Okay, looks like I'm out of that Tesla trade. What's the biggest profit you got from one trade? Oof, I don't know. From one trade itself, I don't know. Oh wow, ALLK ripping. ALLK looking for 645, new high 650. We're gonna have this pivot here of 640. And let me look at the 5 minutes. You're gonna have that pivot of 640. And kind of this one right here of the previous 5 minute candle of 636. Let's see if this one wants to keep squeezing. a yellow K, 645 high 650s. Look what I'm looking at, but I want to see candle hold strength, hold volume. $6.36 could be a small little pivot retest. Dang, this thing straight up ripping. It's gonna spike to new high instantly. 30 seconds left on this candle there. You guys know I'm not chasing it with so much time left, and that is why. I always want to see the candle hold the whole time, otherwise you get flushed on. But 640 pivot here. 20 seconds left on this candle here. See a couple ask orders there, but not that big. Bids are about the same. Candle's about to close here. This is a good close up here. That was increase of volume, so that's good. That's so dumb, man. 645 pivot holds for 650. That's the next trade. The ticker that broke downtrend was LVTX. I think it's under VWAP still, so be careful. But do you believe ANC in the biggest squeeze? Jay released $1.4 million share deal. No, I don't think any of those stocks are going to squeeze again. The only thing I'm looking at right now is still ALOK up to 650. Let's see if we put in a nice 5-minute flag on this one now, though. If we don't break 650 and put a nice 5-minute flag, let's see if we get it up to 650 now. So kind of pull back down here, kind of 636 maybe. This thing wants to break out to 650 already. No pullbacks. I want to see this stock pull back down, give us a nice flag, and then anticipate the 650. So give us a flag down to like 636 area. Good job. Good job, Argent Trader. Good job, man. Good job. Come on, flag for us. Flag for us. Nobody's selling here. That's a good thing. But this is the last 1-minute candle on this 5-minute candles. I want this thing to MLCO. I traded that one earlier and I saw it coming back up, but I'm not looking at it right now. Oh, it's pulling back too much. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. I wanted this candle to close high because now the 5-minute candle is stuffed. Now the 5-minute candle is stuffed, and that is not what you want. That's why I wanted that last 1-minute candle. There's a big difference when that 5-minute candle closes high and you see strength there, hold it, and then the pullback, as opposed to you see strength there and then gives it all back. So, don't like that. But Argent Trader, you jumped in on this one down here. And Blair, honestly, you had an entry down here, Blair. That's a good trade, man. That was a good trade. Andres is stuck on FFIE. What's your cost basis? Like right under 1? 97. Yeah. So you're down 3 cents. Not bad, but I mean, if it keeps dropping down, takes new lows, I would probably take the L on that one. But so far, you're holding that 93.77 ish. RIVN 36. RIVN under the ADMA on the 5. RIVN broke uptrend, so this could have been a short, honestly. Right here, there, there, 2 clean touches, breaks out of it, comes up, retouches it. This is the way that I told you guys, find your short right. Draw the cleanest uptrend on the day, and then wait for that retest. Right there, that's the short entry. AL, okay, what did it do? Yeah, I mean, look at the 5 minute, guys. And when you see that candle stuff on the 5 minute, that's a given. Stay out of it, right? Stay out of it. That is why even though I got that 636 pullback that I was looking for, because that candle didn't close high and give us the low volume pullback, because it stuffed and even got that 636, I was no longer interested in it. I would have been interested if this candle closed high with that volume and then had to pull back with low volume. But this right there looks like strong volume, but a strong volume on a stuff. Not interested. You're picking up some calls. I saw Tesla pulled back down a little bit more to that 278 and then turn around. Could have been another spot. Like there's my same support line, but we'll see. I got out of my. Let me see if I even made money on it because I got it. I got it break even stop on it. Yeah, I lost $5 on that trade, but that's okay. Rather be break even than let it go red. I got it right there. So I was up kind of 50 bucks on it and then came down and stopped me out. But I wanted this thing to reverse back up to highs, which it might do it now. I mean, touchdown VWAP and keeps pushing back up. We'll see. Maybe I was a little early on it. Today should have been like 400 even if even one stock would have a follow through to new highs. You're right. You're right. I mean, I think I didn't jump in on them, but I think you guys called out a few stocks that we know the bottom on, so that was a good thing. And you guys know I'm kind of iffy today. Still kind of a little bit of a headache. It's not even a headache. It's like when you get migraines, it's like you know exactly where it hurts. And like just my whole right side right here, like out of nowhere will start like throbbing. And so sometimes like my right eye just hurts. But oh well. It did get a little better than when I first woke up. Seth. So yeah, that short trade on Rivian. I mean, if it comes back up, then that's a good thing. Now, when you're looking for a long, I would do the opposite. Draw this downtrend here and wait for that retest. Kind of like that, right? So now you're breaking that downtrend. So this is uptrend. Now this is downtrend. Once you break that downtrend, now you can be looking for the long, which you just broke it now. So now you could be looking for longs. Anybody have some questions for me, guys? Let me import my trades again. I think I lost $5 on Tesla. I know I don't include options, but you know what? $5. I'll take that one. I don't feel like deleting it. So it looks like probably I don't include options. So even if it's a green or red, well, I guess I could delete it, but we'll see. So I'm up $180 on the day. Um, as far as day trades today, one trade, two trades, three trades, four. That's $1.50 break even trade, but still four green trades, and then that was an option play, -$5. But accuracy is there. I don't think I had a single red trade today besides that option play. Um, not followed through on some of these stocks. I think some of these we had some good pullbacks and stuff. I'll keep an eye on the rest of the day. On Rivian, or not Rivian. Oh, this is Rivian. I mean, you just find the uptrend, and once you're uptrend, take dips, like any dips like this, and then find the downtrend that's still bearish, and then when you break that downtrend like this, find the break of the downtrend, retest or hold something like VWAP here, and then make the next move up. So if you're on top of an uptrend, that's uptrend stock. If you're below it like that, then that's bearish to me. So then wait for that thing to break, and now you would go the opposite direction. Now look for the uptrend, right? Is it going to be like that? And then now stock is going to be doing this, right? And then once you break this, oh frick. Once you break this, it's going to do the same thing. Break to the downside, and now it's going to be downtrending like that, and then you look for the downtrend break. Once you break it, look for the uptrend break, you know, like that. So that's what it did. Uptrend here, broke it, downtrend, downtrend here, broke it, uptrend, you know. Look how fast it deleted my lands, guys. Oh, it only lets you do a certain amount. Rome, so did you pick up any spy calls? You had a nice bounce there if you nailed that bottom. Let me give you guys my Discord one last time, or not one last time, but just for today. For everybody watching me live, if this might be your first time, whether you're on Tradecaster or YouTube, here is my Discord link. You guys can join it. A lot of us are here pretty early on. John's on very early in the morning if you want to look at pre-market. Even take some pre-market trades. That is where John shines the best. So if you want to take some pre-market trades, make sure to join the Discord and hang out there in the morning. John would really appreciate that. He would really appreciate that. Same thing when I'm done trading, which I'm probably going to get off now. I've been trading almost 2 hours, 50 minutes from 2 hours, which is usually what I stream, 2 hours. Once I get off, everybody goes back to Discord. If there's nothing moving, guys, and Discord is dry, then we're not seeing anything. But if anything is moving and you guys see something, just make sure you list it on the Discord so everybody else can see what you're looking at. Yeah, John said he needs a second set of eyes, 100%. Blair, good trading today. John, good trading today. I think I'm gonna get off, guys. If you guys have any last minute questions, just let me ask me right now, real quick. Any questions about my course, just DM me on Discord. Make sure you put it on the general chat and tag me so I know it's me. A lot of what is this? What is that? Who's that? Is that you, John, from YouTube? Is that John from YouTube that just posted that picture from on Discord? Anyways, guys, I'm gonna head for the rest of the day. What's the Discord link? If you're on TikTok, it's in my bio. So go up to the bio, and then my Discord link is in there. Oh, I was talking about my course. If you guys have any questions on my course, just send me a DM. I can give you guys a discount and answer any questions before you purchase it. So just to let you know what's included. You can actually see the whole course curriculum. But that's gonna be it for me today. At least keeping a green day, small green day, but keeping a green day. I had one red day last week. And other than that, still keeping the green days consistency going. Not big profits, but consistency. I'll take consistency better to later on increase my share size and really kill it with the same consistency. Alright, guys. Hope you guys had a good weekend. Hope you guys had a good weekend. Hopefully you guys had a good trading day today. I don't see anything moving. If I don't see anything moving, then you might not hear from me for the rest of the day on the Discord. But if I see something moving or somebody else does, we'll be on there trading and chatting what we're looking at. You guys have a good rest of your day, and I will see you guys tomorrow. I'll probably do a quick recap today, and I will try to put that other video out that I mentioned because I know I promised you guys at 1,000 subscribers I would do that. So y'all guys have a good rest of your day, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Appreciate you guys being here.